In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Form responses after submission. First, open your browser and go to Google Forms. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you can access the forms you manage. If you have multiple accounts, a quick glance at the profile icon in the top right will help you confirm you're in the right place. From the dashboard, look for the form you've been working on. Your most recent forms usually appear at the top, so select the recent form and click to open it in Edit View. This is where you control the form settings, share the form, and manage responses. Now, you'll want to share the form so people can submit entries. In the top right, use the Send option and copy the link for responders. This is the public link that lets people fill out your form. It does not grant them edit access. If you prefer, you can shorten the link before copying. Once you've got it, share it with your teammates through your usual channels like email or chat. Remind them that anyone with the link can submit, so only share it with the audiences you actually want to collect responses from. After your teammates or respondents have submitted their entries and you're ready to manage them, return to the form. At the top, click the Responses tab. This is where all collective responses live, and you'll see a quick summary of how many have come in. To review or remove a specific entry, switch to the individual view. This shows one response at a time with navigation controls to move between submissions. Use these arrows or the drop-down to land on the exact response you want to manage. When you're on the response you intend to remove, select it and click the Delete Response icon, which looks like a small trash can. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, the response is removed from the form's response list. Keep in mind that this action can't be undone in the form itself. If you've linked the form to a spreadsheet, deleting a response here does not automatically delete any rows that were previously exported. You'll need to manage those separately if needed. It's a good idea to double check you're on the correct response before you confirm. That's it. You went to Google Forms, opened your recent form, copied and shared the responder link, and then once submissions came in, used the Responses tab and the individual view to find and delete a specific entry. Thanks for watching and take care when removing data to keep your records accurate and intentional.